What's up, everybody? It's your boy Randall D, TechGeek RLD, back in with another video. And today we had some air condition problems. As you can see, I had to run to Home Depot and picked up this capacitor for this air condition. Now, I ain't no rocket science, but I think this box beside the house is supposed to spin. There's a blade in there, like a motor and a blade and everything that keeps the AC running. And it's supposed to spin, but it was not spinning. So it turns out we needed this part right here. It's a capacitor. This is the back of the unit here. I got it disassembled. Like, it wasn't too bad. Like, just took a little common sense, you know, a little this, little that. But $19.99, that's all you need. Let's keep it pushing. Let's go. Let's see what else we have to do. Oh yeah, right here, this is like a little circuit breaker box. You want to pull that out so that it'll cut off all the power to that motorized unit right there. So you pull this out, that cuts the power, but I also cut the power inside the house as well. They ran to the AC, but you know, safety first, right? You ain't trying to get electrocuted. We ain't trying to die. But yeah, this is what we're working with. Let's get it. We tired of getting cooked. So this is the unit itself. This is a capacitor. And as you can see at the top up here, the wire connections, everything's labeled nice and understandably. So of course, when you take the old one out, you just want to match the wires to the same, you know, terminal connections on the new one. So as you can see right here, this is the old one. And like I said, all the markings are marked clear. So I just took a picture of them. So I know that when I get the new one, I knew which wire went to which terminal connection. So pretty straightforward. Little this, little that. All right, as you can see right here, I got the wires connected. They just pressed down to those terminals right there. Didn't need no tools really, just a flathead screwdriver to get the motorized unit apart. But yes, I got the connections made, and here's where it sits at on this bracket. But you know, we want to get it back in there nice and neat, so I'm gonna sit it on that bracket. And as you can see right here, yes, with the new capacitor in place, the Titan HD, let's go. No more capacitor problems. Looking nice and professional. Next, we just got to get that side panel back on, and we should be in good shape. And as you can see right here, this is me going to the fuse box in the bedroom. Let's see here. AC air handler. Let's see. I'm pretty sure that's air conditioning material. Let's turn this one back on. And let's turn the AC one back on. You know, pretty common sense stuff, right? So let me close this back and let's go see what she's doing. And as you can see here, we was cooking in there, boy. We was getting cooked. 84 degrees. Woo-wee. So I'm gonna get it switched back on real quick. Let's set it to like 70 degrees. We got to get this fixed. Like, we got tired of getting cooked in there, boy. Like, we're gonna learn real quick. So let's see. I need to clean that off, right? But let's see here. Gonna set it to 70 degrees. There goes one of the air vents right there in the ceiling over the kitchen. But yeah, let's walk outside. Let's see what's going on outside. All right, y'all. So now that we outside right here, look at her. Got her looking nice and neat and professional. Look like nothing even happened, right? And you can see the blade in there spinning. So we in good shape. No more getting cooked. Just a quick little video. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. You know what time it is. All right, y'all.